So today we're going to be talking about HLOOKUP. So how do we HLOOKUP? Basically, the way I like to think about HLOOKUP is we're looking for something in a column or a row. So for example, in this row, we're looking for the months, right? So in this case, we're looking for January, February, March, April, and we want to know the row that we're trying to get to. For example, apples is row 2, oranges is row 3, and watermelon is row 4. And so if we were looking for January and we're looking for oranges, we'd be looking in row 3. So I've already set up the table here. And now I also set up what month are we looking for and what row are we looking for, just to make it easy for you to see. The formula is HLOOKUP, so equals HLOOKUP. What are we looking for? Which is January. What table are we looking for it in? Which is this table. And what row are we looking for? If we're looking for row 2, then we would put 2. And then we put false because we're looking exactly for January and nothing close to January. We want exactly January. And so in that case, we were looking for row 2, apples. We got 10. We could also make it a little bit easier for us. Instead of having to change the columns every single time, we can actually reference what row, put false, and that way we'll always just be able to do 3, 4, and that makes it easy for us. And so if we also wanted to change the months, we could also do that. So that's how you do HLOOKUP. And just to summarize once again, we're looking for something, which is in this case the months, and we want a specific row to come out based on this table. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. I also have my links in my bio down below. I have other social media as well as stream on Twitch, and I hope you enjoyed the content. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.